If you're thinking about signing up for Monday.com, definitely watch this video first. I've been using Monday.com for a couple months now, and in today's video, I'll bring you the latest scoop on everything you should know before trying it out. I'll cover Monday.com's features, my experience with it, and some issues I ran into with the app. Oh, and before we get started, if you decide to give Monday.com a try, check out the link in the description below to grab the best price available. All right, let's dive in. So what exactly is Monday.com? Well, in simple terms, Monday.com is a cloud-based work operating system that's pretty awesome for project management. You can use Monday.com to keep track of work, monitor progress, and gather info to help teams stay organized. What's cool about Monday.com is its user-friendly design and versatility. It's not just for project management. You can also use Monday.com for task tracking, CRM, and a bunch of other stuff. Monday.com is packed with features like automation, integrations with other tools, and reporting to make your workflow smoother and improve team collaboration. One of the things I love about Monday.com is how you can easily assign tasks to team members and control what they can see and do. This makes it super easy to keep track of who's doing what and cuts down on those endless email chains. Another feature that stood out to me is their dashboard. Honestly, it's probably the best part of Monday.com. It's so easy to use and looks modern and clean. I figured out how to use it in just a day. Think of it like a giant smart whiteboard where you can track different tasks for projects. You can set it up however you like, adding columns for things like deadlines, priorities, or who's responsible for what. Plus, Monday.com connects with other apps you might already use, like email, calendars, or file sharing services, so everything's in one spot. They also have customer support available 24/7 through a web form or live chat, and they have a support page with answers to most common questions. Now, while Monday.com is great, I do have one small gripe. I could really use a built-in live chat feature. The dashboards are fantastic, but when I need to ask something quickly, having to switch to another app for messaging can be a bit of a hassle. But okay, let's switch gears and talk pricing. Heads up, it can get a bit confusing. Monday.com's pricing is unique because it's based on the number of seats, which means users, and the type of plan you choose. The minimum is about 3 users. There are 5 main plans: free, basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. The basic plan starts at $27 a month. You get 5 gigabytes of file storage, prioritized customer support, and a single board dashboard. The standard plan, which is the most popular, starts at $36 a month. With this plan, you get a Gantt chart view, calendar view, automation, integrations, guest access, and a dashboard that can combine up to 5 boards. Storage goes up to 20 gigabytes as well. The Pro plan is $57 a month and includes everything in the standard plan plus private boards, advanced chart views, more automations, and a dashboard that combines up to 10 boards. Finally, the enterprise plan has custom pricing and includes all the features Monday.com offers, plus premium support, enterprise scale automation, advanced reporting, and more. The dashboard here can combine up to 50 boards. Now, one thing that sets Monday.com apart is its daily live webinars for plans. They dive deep into Monday.com's features to help you get the most out of the tool. And the best part is that you can watch them anytime because they're recorded. When you sign up, you automatically get a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan. If it's not for you, you can always switch to the free plan whenever you want. So to wrap it up, Monday.com might have a confusing pricing structure, but it's pretty awesome for managing tasks and workflows. Its user-friendly interface makes it a solid choice for any team that wants to get things done. So if you do decide to give Monday.com a go, don't forget, click the link in the description below to get the best price available. Thanks for watching, and bye.